some basic volume, and to darken up this foreground area to allow it to be proud and stand forward of everything else in the space. Something always to keep in mind is trying to work your darks and lights against each other, helping to establish, a sense of visual contrast between something that's maybe 100 feet in front of another thing. If the values are the same, it'll trick the eye and it'll make for a less legible drawing. And again, the piece will almost tell you what it needs, especially at this point. Once you've spent the time to lay in these elements in this line work, it will sort of hopefully come clear that it needs darker values in one area, less in the other. And you work it like a watercolor. It's the same sort of thing. It's additive. You can always come in again and add white, or try to bring in white pencil. But in this case, this is enough. So I'm going to continue to break out values. Still not quite happy with how the ceiling is feeling. Don't feel it's dark enough. And even at this stage, even though it's monochromatic, it's good to think about what even colors might be. So even as you're laying in your values, you're thinking maybe something could be a dark burgundy. This is really healthy at this point, because when you do take this into a color piece, if you decide to do that, you're going to want to think in your own mind, what does it need? What kind of colors would I place in this? And what values would they be? So let's say something might be dark against something light, especially when you deal with these more complicated spaces. So here now I'm just really kicking in the light. I made a decision right near the end here to